I'm ADC of Purchase Rationale and the author of Trend is Friend. The market just closed 10 minutes ago, right, for the afternoon lunch break. The date today is 2nd of March 2023. It's Thursday and it's 12:41 p.m. Malaysian time. Purchase rationale rationalizes 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. I have to put forward a disclaimer before I proceed that whatever I share here on investing is purely for information and education only. Should you take action to purchase any stocks that is discussed here, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. The stock today that we are going to talk about is one that I have done and revisited for the six times today. All right. The last one I did was on the 27th of February, and the stock is CCK. Okay, a company that has to do and deal with eggs, production and trading of eggs. Uh, and the stock code is 7035. I will just go through the technical part of it because the fundamental part will be discussed after I repost the revisited video that I have done previously for the 5 times. So you will be able to understand the fundamental side of it. But it seems like today the CCK has a green candle uh, above the MA21 line. So it looks like the trend is continuing. The momentum is also continuing and looks like it is a MA rebound. And if you look at the risk reward ratio side of it, if you buy at the closing price at 12:30 just now at 77 cent and proceed to the target price or target profit of 84.5 cent and with a stop loss of 72 cent, you will have a risk to reward ratio of 1.54 times. In this case, it has gone up and looks like uh, I am forecasting that it will reach the apex of Helio wave 5, all right, before it retraces again. So you will have 1.54 time risk to reward ratio, right? All right, the what I call bias intact thing is there is some good buying, good long green candle also accompanied by some selling. So this is quite a well traded stock. Buy and sell, buy and sell. Good thing is that we begin to see some volume building. All right. Should the should there be a volume breakout from now on plus a price breakout at let's say around 79 cent, it is likely that CCK will achieve the target price of 84.5 cent. All right. And also the rate of change has been going up since 25th 25th of July last year. Okay, it has been staying above the zero neutral line of the rate of change ROC. So looks like it will continue the co- it will continue to be seeing the trend momentum upwards. All right. I leave it to you to reanalyze this on your own by watching the video that I've done previously and decide if this stock is good for you. All right. Uh, I will also post the article, all right, on where the Ministry of Consumer Affairs gave a license to one particular supermarket or one particular company to import eggs from India. All right. So read in conjunction with the this article and decide if this stock is of any interest to you. Okay. I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe. If you think this trading idea shared is informational and educational, when you like, it helps the channel grow and also helps to improve the algorithm of YouTube. Okay, when you share, it allow others who are interested in investing to also watch the video too. Right? Most important is to subscribe because if you want to be notified automatically of new videos that I make on every working day, subscribing will automatically put you on notification when I make a new video. Okay, and I have some feedback from my the people who watch my video that they say they do not understand some of the terms that I use. Okay, I can understand that. So do kindly ask a question in the comment section below, so I can explain what those terms mean and to help you understand better. All right. Thank you for listening and your time. Have a good day. Hi, I'm Eddie C. of Purchase Rationale and the author of Trend is Friend. The date today is 27th of February 2023, almost the end of the month of February. It's a Monday and the time is 12:52 p.m. Malaysian time. Purchase rationale rationalizes 15 reasons when considering a particular stock to buy. A disclaimer before I proceed that whatever I share here today is purely for information and education only. Should you take action to buy anything after the discussion, please first consult a financial planner or a licensed broker. The stock in question today is one that I have revisited four times before, and today is the fifth revisit. So, what it means today is that this stock gets our attention because it is in a continuing trend momentum, and the stock is CCK. All right, it's a farm production, mainly producing eggs, all right, for the consumption of the local market and perhaps Singapore. And the stock code is 7035. Since this is the fifth time, I will still go through the fundamentals again. Normally, I don't do that, but I think it's important for you to relook at the fundamental and decide. The reason why I'm doing this is because from the uh, supply chain vendors that I have received news, that they are going to increase the price of eggs beginning June of this year. So it's good to look at the fundamental of companies that supply eggs and see what is the future potential for such a stock. All right, let's look at the fundamental. In the case of CCK Consolidated Holding, stock code 7035, all right, the operating earning yield percentage is 7.04, meaning should there be an existing differential between the intrinsic value and the market price, CCK can actually cover the differentials between the two. Okay, on the magic formula side, if you add operating yields percentage with ROIC, that makes up about 24.3%. Okay, as far as I am concerned on the arbitrary figure, 15% is good enough to qualify me for consideration. Then since it's at around 24.3%, it covers the mark that I'm looking for. Okay, on the magic formula side. It has a low enterprise value to EBITDA of 2.57, meaning you are buying at a good valuation price, even though the market price may have gone up slightly. Okay, a low PEG ratio of 0.05, meaning there is still good potential for growth. Still pays a dividend yield of 2.25%. Positive free cash flow trailing 12-month basis of about 28.3 million. Healthy Poitrowski F score of 6. Uh, if it goes up 7, then it will be more promising, but 6 is a good start. And Altman Z score, that is the bankruptcy score of 4.6, which exceeds the normal 2.5. Okay, market cap of 482.5 million, current ratio of 2.2. What we require is 1.2, basically to meet if there is any debt commitment. Uh, Definitely, current ratio of 2.2 is healthier than 1.3. Okay, it's a net cash company uh, because it has a negative net debt of 5.9 million, right? And because of that, it has a net debt to EBITDA ratio of negative 0.03 and a healthy, strong, sustaining retained earning of 215.37 million. I would say CCK looks like a promising investment grade company, and because of that, I will now take a look at the technical side of things. As you can see, actually, CCK has been doing a bit of higher lows here, here, and here. And today, because of the higher load, we can say that the trend has been established and is continuing to trend upwards because it is above the cloud. And today it has done what we call the MA rebound, meaning the price candlestick has risen above the MA21 line. All right. So trend confirmed. Momentum is good because if you look at the momentum, uh, you can see that the ROC rate of change is above the zero neutral line and has remained so for quite some time now since middle of May last year. Okay, and of course the price action candlestick is also above the cloud, so momentum is intact and the entry strategy is a MA rebound. So in any case, the price action is actually riding on wave 5 now between impulse wave 4 to 5, and our target is at the apex of wave 5. And should you buy at the current price today of at 1 at 77 cent, okay, closing price at 12:30 just now, with a target price of 84 cent and a stop loss of 72 cent, you will have a risk to reward ratio of 1.5 times. Now the reason is this, I said we have been revisiting these stocks uh, for the fifth, including today for the fifth time. So most likely it will hit our target at the peak of wave 5 before it corrects again. All right. So we will be taking a lower risk reward to risk ratio of only 1.5 times. Okay. So and good news is that this is a bias intact situation where the volume has reached the average relative volume of 1. All right. And you can see all the MA lines are above the MA233 line, meaning it is a definite bullish trend and momentum. Okay, so looks like the situation is good and positive, and If if you think what I share today is informational and educational, and a good suggestion for consideration, please like, share, and subscribe. If you like, it will help the channel to grow. It will also help to improve the algorithm of YouTube, right? And when you share, you will allow others who might be interested to take a look at this stock and to watch the video too, right? And if you subscribe, yeah, you will get notified automatically whenever I do a new video of such a content and nature. If you do not understand some of the technical terms that I use here in the discussion, please put a question in the comment section and I will get back to you to explain what they mean. It is my job to help you understand what I share. Thank you for listening and also your precious time. You have a good day and bye bye.